Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you all had a good and pleasant expiry. Not much of a problem, I think, right? So yesterday when US inflation data which came at 9.1% and US core inflation data which came at 5.6%, this 9.1% is historically high. It's been almost 40 or more than 40 years we had such an inflation. So now it is coming at 9.1. Now, when this data came out yesterday, I was expecting US market to fall drastically. That's why I put a thumbnail yesterday. There will be bloodbath. But to my surprise, it was not happening. It's okay. For some extent, to some extent, it is okay because I was kind of afraid if there is any big gap up or gap down, we are going to make we'll have to suffer or we'll end up in big losses. But the good thing what happened yesterday is because US market was not gapping down, many of us who is seeing this video would be in profit. I'm sure most of you would be in profit, right? We were also in profit. We made a profit of around 2%. We ended this week at 2% profit. So that is one side, but the what should have happened yesterday is happening now. As I talk to you, US markets are falling. It is drastically falling. In fact, as I talk to you, let me show. As I talk to you, US future is already down by more than 1.5%. Nasdaq, S&P, everything is down. And even not only US futures, European market is drastically falling. FTSE is down by 1.5%, CAC, France is down by almost 2%, DAX is down by around another 1.5%, right? Now, what is going to happen going forward? That is the main question or $1,000,000 question, right? The impact of this data is very, very important. Maybe yesterday we would have known US market didn't fall, then we didn't fall. As usual, we don't have anything. We just follow the US market. We close our eyes and follow the US market. Now, why the US market? If you know US market is likely to gap down today, and even Europe market is falling, right? Why it is falling? Because many market participants anticipate a 100 basis point hike. So if there is a 100 basis point hike, you know what is going to happen. Markets don't like this kind of interest rate increase. So every business is going to be hurt when there is a what is that, when the loan or overdraft or their capital expenditure or whatever loan is going to be expensive, means they are not going to take loan, and people will not go and buy things, or they will not spend lavishly. They are going to save in FDs or whatsoever. So if there is a 100 basis point hike, that is not going to be good for the market. Markets are likely to come down, right? Not only that, there are other things also, and if there is no 100 basis point hike in July 27th meeting, and I think after next week, July 27, FOMC, Federal Reserve will come out and they will tell how much they are going to increase the interest rate. So most of them are anticipating a 100 basis point increase. Okay, if that happens, maybe 15,800, which is acting as a long-time support. So we have been seeing 15,800 from December, I think, right? Now we are in July 2021. December we have seen 15,800. March we have seen 15,800. Then May we have seen 15,800. This 15,800 is a very, very long-term support that will be taken out if there is a 100 basis point hike. Even today, I think the low was around 15,900 or 925. I was expecting it will take out today itself, but it didn't happen. So in one way that is good. I wouldn't say good. In one way that is okay, right? So let's see. I think probably this time maybe we are going to go below 15,800. That is what I'm expecting. So today's low was around 15,860. So if I change this chart to almost a daily chart, and you can experience here, you can see here this 15,800. In last May, July, we saw 15,800. Then I think around March we saw 15,800. Then May we saw 15,800. Then June series, June, July also we are seeing 15,800. Now if this 15,800, as I told, 15,800 is taken out, we will see market going towards downside. We will later see what is going to happen if it goes below 15,800. Okay. Not only that, look at Indian rupees. Indian rupees is at all-time low. It is around more than 80 rupees, and I'm sure in the near future it will hit more than, it will go to 81 also. So these things you will have to consider. And the most important thing is what FII did today is they have bought for 309 crores and DIs have sold for 556 crores. So you don't get into exaggeration, or you don't think that because FIIs are buying, market may go up. Market may go up till 16,400 or 16,500, then it will come to 18,500, or below it will go to 15,800 or somewhere. At this rate, if they increase the interest rate, nothing is going to happen. Everything is negative. So FOMC is increasing the interest rate, and Shaktikant Das will also increase the interest rate. US dollar is going to 81. So everything is getting expensive. We will have a big gap in fiscal deficit. Everything is against us, and you don't expect the market to go on the upside when this is happening, right? And Bank Nifty today alone tanked more than, I think, 500 points from top. It tried to reach above 35,000, but it failed and came all the way down to around 30. Low was around 34,500, right? So I think at least this 34,000 is supported, will hold at least for next 2 or 3 days. We really don't know whether it is going to hold. If there is a big gap up tomorrow, maybe that will also be gone, right? And if you see Nifty, which tanked more than 200 points today, anyhow, but seriously I'm saying, I thought 15,800 is gone. But to my surprise, low was around 15,860. Then we saw a retracement to around 15,900 levels. 16,000 was decisively taken. No, this thing and all, very, very smoothly taken. 16,000. That was very much surprising. So people were thinking, when I saw today morning, I was thinking maybe 16,000 will sustain. There were so much put rating at 16,000. So whoever had written 16,000 put option today would have suffered a lot, right? And there was some drama in between also. This Reliance went all the way from, it went up by 100 rupees. It opened at around 2,385. It went all the way to 2,436, and I don't know why it went. They are saying some windfall tax exemption or something they told. And the same case is for ONGC, but ONGC ended in the green. It was up by 2.19%, but Reliance was not up. The gain which the profits or the gain was gone in just half an hour, or momentum was lost in just under 1 hour. So that is about the Reliance. And as I talk to you, SGX Nifty is also low, and we will come back to that little later. I think SGX Nifty is down by around 334.50. Now it is down by 50 points, right? So you expect, I expect the markets likely to be go on the downside. I don't think markets are likely will go on the upside. So market is, I have a negative base as always. So we will see any rise in the market is a time to short the market. That's what I think. Even yesterday, a live session, many people shorted call option. They would have made money. And going forward, any rise in the market is just a shorting opportunity. That's what I think. There is no reason, there is no positive news at all for the market to go on the upside. So that's what I think. Trade carefully, always hedge your position. I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.